Alright, hey guys. Sorry for no apps in a while, but I have one for you today. I've actually built this a while ago, like during the summer, but just making a video today about it. So this app is called Smart Travel, and this app I tried to do a lot of front end with it as well. So let's go ahead and click on it. So let's just let that focus real quick. All right, yeah, I think that's about as much focus as we can get. So that circle is the icon. I don't know if this will help. That will help. All right, cool. So right off the bat, we see a background. We see a really cool text box with a voice search capability, which is just an image view within that edit text. Sorry. So uh, unlike text to Morse code, which has a edit text, then a button for translate, or you could press another button for voice. This is way more intuitive, and this is like Google's layout. And yeah, so uh, basically, this is like a mapped app. It uses Google Maps and all that, but it makes it really easy to change course and to really just uh, change route, and then you can get back to your original course. And I guess you guys will see what I mean in a second. So I'm in my dorm right now, but I will still just say Purdue. So now it's opening up Google Maps, and it is searching for Purdue and my location. So now uh, we can start the trip, but say this was a longer trip, right? And I can make a stop. And this is where the edit course comes in. It's via notification. So if I just open that, I can get gas, food, or I could do a voice search for something else. So I want to say McDonald's. Then I'll say yes, stop my route, and now it'll take me to the nearest McDonald's where my location is. So once I'm finished getting McDonald's, I can swipe down and I can do resume trip, and it'll resume the trip for me, and it'll take me back to my original destination, which was Purdue. So let's go back and let's close out of all of this. And now we can see that once the app opens up again, like there's no notification, that notification closes, and we have some options up here on the top. So let's go to settings, and now we have gas options, and food options. So this was the other two. So I use voice as just like a default. So if I want to go anywhere, I could just press the say the title of that place. But say we want to go to a gas station, we have three options. We have distance, which is it'll find the closest gas station to you. It'll find the price, so it'll find the cheapest gas that the gas station has. I mean, yeah, the cheapest gas station prices in a relatively close distance. So like if you're in Texas, it won't give you a cheap gas station in New York, and this is done all through the Google Maps API. And finally, we have the generic choose on instance, which it'll just bring up a list of gas stations for you, and you can choose whenever the time comes. So now finally we have the food options. Right now I have the gas options at price, so it finds the cheapest. Now next we have the food options. So at first we have the distance and price. We have the same two things as the gas option. So we have uh, distance and price. It'll find the closest or it'll find the cheapest. Next one, we'll choose on instance. So this will choose find all the nearby restaurants, and you can choose whichever one you want. What I have right now is choose on instance local. So this will say you're going through some area that is filled with culture and something you want to eat local. So this one will still give you that option list, but it'll try to find the local restaurants. So you can really get a taste for that area. And finally, we have voice search, which they'll just ask you which restaurant do you want to go, but um, and that's about it. So I can click submit or back. I'll just click submit because I didn't change anything. And let's just do another trip. So I'm gonna say New York City. Now it takes me to New York City. And this is a lot like Google Maps, but I kind of wanted to make it where it's really easy. It's like one, two taps on the screen, and you're good to go. Because usually when you're driving, you don't want to be focusing on your phone too much. Uh, I am trying to make this for Android Auto, but since I don't have a car or don't really know that much about Android Auto yet, it's still on its way. But the way Android does it, I think Android Auto is really easy to set up. Like it's still like just the same app. You just have some different functions in there. So yeah, so just one more. Let's go. Let's get gas. And now it doesn't ask me for anything. Gas station, and it finds the cheapest gas station near me, which is 8 minutes. So it doesn't show me something like 20 minutes away. And yeah, that's about it. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this app. More to come, I promise. I'm working on a web application right now, and I'm working on another Android application with some friends of mine, actually. And yeah, be sure to check them out. I've been making some new web apps on my website, so if you guys want to check out Python, Python compiler slash like online lesson platform, you could do that, or you could check out Find Me Comics, which is a uh, web application where it gathers comics from the web and lets you read them right there on the site for free. So yeah, do that, and I hope you guys have a nice day and have fun.